Welcome student. Now we are going to see electric potential at a point. Already we must have seen electric potential at a point, electric potential difference and electric potential and electrical potential difference and electric potential energy. All definition seems to be similar and all are confusing, whether it is electric potential at a point or electric potential difference between 2 points and potential energy. There slightly you have to understand, slightly there is a difference. Now we are going to discuss about electrical potential at the point. Suppose we keep a charge here plus Q. So when we keep a charge in the space, it will create around it an electric field up to infinity. Suppose we take in this direction. So in this direction, electric field, it goes up to infinity. In this direction also, every direction it goes up to infinity. Right. Now we want to find out at any general point P, which is at a distance R from the source charge. Source charge is, this is plus Q, is capital Q is source charge, which is creating the electric field. And potential, by definition, what's the electrical potential at a point is the amount of work done. The work is, see, we keep a charge here, amount of work, if you want to bring it at this point, we have to do external work. So amount work done in bringing a test charge, that is unit positive charge from infinity up to this point. It means how much work is done by the external field in bringing the unit test charge from infinity up to the point is, we call it as a potential at this point. And it can maybe at any point. At this point means work done by external agent from infinity to up to this point in bringing a unit test charge. So this is a unit test charge. So what should be our approach? This is infinity, this is Q. So we have to bring up to this point P. So what we will do, we will take an intermittent point. So this is of distance dx. We find out the work done, small amount of work done in bringing from A to B. So this is the small amount of bring done. So here also there will be a small amount of work done, this small amount of small. There will be lot of small amount of work done for a small distance dx. If we join all together, when we join all together, then that will give the total work done by the external agent in bringing the test charge from infinity up to this point. First we will find out dW and we will extend it from, because we want from infinity up to this point P, we will, which is at a distance R, we will extend up to this point. This should be our approach. So what we do now, this idea generally we follow in physics. Suppose if you want to find out a big quantity, you find a small quantity, extend up to the big quantity by using integration. Integration means adding up all the small. So this is, we will take a point, intermediate point A and B. So the distance is dx. So at point A, the work done at point A, the force given by electric field of plus Q is Coulombic, because suppose at point A, if you are bringing the test charge here, if the test charge is kept here, this is positive charge, this is also positive, unit positive test charge, it will give you a force, Coulombic force at A. So since if this is at a distance x, so electric field of Q is, the force given by electric field Q is F electric field on Q naught. Therefore F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into product of charge product of this charge and this charge, Q naught, divided by the distance. Distance is x square. This is the force given by the electric field due to point Q. Point Q. So it will be which direction? This will give you a force on this direction. Force due to electric field. That is rightward. So we have to do some work in bringing from infinity up to this point, then only it is called potential at this point. So first we will find out potential in bringing a unit discharge from A to B, that is small amount of work. So small amount of work is equal to work done by external agency. External agent to bring the test charge from A to B through a small distance. That is, this is A, this is B, this is Q plus Q. Test charge is brought from A to, from here to here it is brought, this distance. So it is brought through a distance of dx, and the electric force dx is in this direction. The electric force is acting this way, and the work done by the external agency is this way. This is the, because work done is equal to force into displacement. So force, see this direction is the force due to electric field of this one, and this direction is the external force we are applying to bring it against the force of electric field. So work done, this force external. So the force is responsible for the work done, right? Now this way. So what is the force? Small amount of work done, small in bringing the test charge Q naught from A to B through a small distance. Small amount, that is small amount of work done. So we will find out the small amount of work done, and this work done will extend from P to infinity. That is the work done in bringing a unit test charge from infinity up to P. So we find out a small work done. So dW is equal to, what is dW? Work done, as it is we have seen, work done is a scalar quantity because it is dot product of force applied on the body into displacement moved by the body, or we call it as displacement moved by the body. Or here, what is small amount of work done? Force is always constant. We assume always constant force we are applying. That is external force external, constant force, and distance through which we have moved, because we have moved from here to here, dx distance. So we have moved from here to here as dx distance. Our dot product of two vectors is magnitude of this vector Ex into magnitude of this one into cos of angle between these two. Cos of angle between these two. What is cos of angle between these two? See, F external is in this direction. F external is in this direction. Displacement also in this direction. What is the angle between this and this? The angle between this and this is equal to 0. F external into dx into cos 0. As we know, cos of 0 degree is equal to 1. So we can say F external into dx into 1. And second thing, see, this is F due to electric field in this direction, F external is in this direction. The angle between them is 180 degree, or we can say F external is equal to negative of F electric field, because both are in opposite direction, So we can substitute here minus F due to electric field into dx. This is the small amount of work done. So small amount of work done is this much. So what is the net work done? See, this is the work done in bringing the test charge from A to B. We want to find out what is the work done. Work done in bringing the test charge from infinity up to this point. We will extend it, this work done, what we will do, we'll extend it up to here. So extend means addition of all the work done, this. So we will take a integration of dw is equal to integration of minus f E into, where E stands for electric field due to external at any distance. So external, what is the limit? This is a definite integral. Definite integral means it will have lower limit and upper limit. So lower limit, what is lower limit? We are bringing from infinity and up to where we are bringing up to the point which is at a distance r from the plus q. Okay, this is the work done. So we can write it out, work done. What is the work done? So work done is equal to, work done is equal to Fe. What is Fe? Fe is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So we can call it as a Q, key, this portion, because instead of writing every time, we call it as key. So this we can write Fe minus, if we take it outside, minus we take it outside, minus into Fe. Fe is equal to key into Q into Q naught divided by x square from infinity to r, x square. Okay, Fe into dx. This is dx portion. Okay, we can take it out. Work done is equal to minus k into q, because q naught all are fixed. In integral of infinity to r into dx, that is 1 by x square into dx. So integral of 1 by x square is equal to, with respect to dx, is equal to integral of x power minus 2 into dx is equal to integral of x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, since it is given the limit that is lower limit and upper limit. So which is equal to x to the power minus 1 by minus 1 into r to infinity. So this we can write minus, we take n by x to the power minus we take it outside, so r to infinity is equal to minus, first limit in place of x put r, that is 1 by r, that is applying the limit, minus, then in place of x we will put infinity. 1 by infinity is equal to 1 by infinity is equal to 0, that is 1 by 0. Infinity means 1 by 0 is equal to 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So this expression, how this will become? This will become, therefore, r to infinity, therefore work done, we put this value minus k into q naught when we evaluate this entire limit. So this will become minus into minus 1 by r into minus 1 by r when you apply the whole limit, because this is equal to 0 minus 1 by r. This is the integration of this entire part. So this is, so when we extend it, so this becomes work done in bringing that unit test charge from infinity up to the point P, that is work done by external agency, because we are bringing from here up to here by applying force against the electric and against the force due to this plus q. So that means work done by external is equal to this minus will get cancelled, will becomes k into q naught by r. So we can call work done by external divided by this q naught, we bring it here, is equal to k into q divided by r, which we call it is a potential at point P. What is potential at point P? The potential at point P is work done by an external agent in bringing a unit test charge from infinity up to that point is called potential at this point P. So K cube, which we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K, value of K into Q divided by R. So this is the expression potential at any point is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into the distance R from the charge giving the electric field. The distance of charge, that is R, is the distance between the charge which gives the electric field up to that point R. So this is the potential at any point. This can be written also as potential in work done in bringing a test charge from infinity up to the point, work done in bringing a unit test charge.